What if I told you that you can create cinematic AI videos completely for free without any watermark? And the most interesting part is that you can use these tools on both your phone and computer. Some of them are even completely unlimited. Sounds like a lie, right? I used to think the same thing because these days, most AI tools make a lot of promises, but when you actually try to generate a video, they suddenly show you their limits, which can be extremely frustrating. So, to find a solution to this problem, I tested more than 100 AI video generators. And finally, I found 4 AI tools that are still completely free and unlimited for AI video generation. So, without wasting any more of your time, let's jump straight into the tools. The first tool is Qwen AI. Qwen AI is basically a Chinese alternative to Veo 3. Back in 2025, its quality wasn't that impressive, but now, after its model upgrade, it has become much faster and the quality has improved significantly. The best part is that it can generate videos with audio. It is completely free, has no watermark, and there is no annoying credit limit. So, let's test it. First, open Google Chrome and search for Qwen AI. Open the official website and you will see an interface something like this. Here, you will find options for both image generation and video generation. To generate an image, click on Image Generation. You can see that multiple aspect ratios are available here. Since I want to create an image for a video, I am selecting 16:9. Now, I need a good prompt. For that, I will use this PDF where I have provided prompts for different image styles. The link to this PDF is available in the description. I will simply copy one of the prompts from the PDF, come back to Qwen AI, paste it here, and click on Send. And as you can see, our image has been generated. Just look at how clear and detailed this image is. Now, we will convert this image into a video. For that, click on Create Video, then copy the image to video prompt from the prompt PDF. Paste it here and click on Send. After waiting for a short while, our video will be ready. And wow, Qwen AI has generated a really impressive video. It also supports audio, and there is no watermark. For all these reasons, I personally think Qwen AI is one of the best free video generation tools available right now. Now let's move on to the third tool, which is Digen AI. Digen AI is a professional AI video generation platform. First, search for Digen AI on Google Chrome and open the website. You can log in using any Gmail account. And the best part is that after logging in, you receive 300 free credits. Generating one image costs only 1 credit, while generating a video costs only around 20 credits. So, you can generate a huge number of images. And if your credits run out, you can simply log in using another temporary email account. This allows you to generate a large number of image to video generations. So, let's test Digen AI. First, click on Create and select Image. You will find multiple aspect ratios and quality options here. I will now copy one of the prompts from my prompt PDF, paste it here, and click on Send. And just like that, our image is ready within seconds. Now we will convert this image into a video. Click on Create Video. Here, you can generate a 5-second video in 480p quality. Again, I will copy the image to video prompt, paste it here, and click on Send. After waiting for a short while, our video will be ready. However, as you can see, the video has a watermark, but you can cover the watermark by adding your YouTube logo, subscribe animation, or other elements while editing the video. Now let's talk about the fourth AI tool, which is Qwen AI. Qwen AI is mainly famous for generating high-quality images, but I will show you how to generate both images and videos with it. First, open Google Chrome and search for Qwen AI. Open the website and log in using any account. As you can see, we currently have 0 credits. So, click on the credits section and then select Check In to earn credits. Once you check in, you will receive 10 credits. And if you check in every day, you can earn 10 credits daily. Now we want to generate an image. So, click on Image Edit. You will find multiple aspect ratios and quality options here. I will copy one of the prompts from my prompt PDF, paste it here, and click on Send. Each image generation costs only 2 credits. And just look at this. With only 2 credits, Qwen AI has generated 8 different images for us. The results are genuinely amazing, and each image has a different style. Now let's convert one of these images into a video. Click on Image to Video. You will also find multiple reference options here. You can generate a 5-second video in 720p quality. I will now copy the image to video prompt from my prompt PDF, paste it into Qwen AI, and click on Send. Wow! Just look at the quality of these videos. Watching these videos honestly gives me the feeling that I am watching a scene from a high-quality animated movie like The Good Dinosaur. And the best part is that it can also generate audio. Now let's move on to the final AI tool, which is Qwen AI. This is one of those AI platforms that quietly gives you access to test premium AI models like Sora, Theo, One, and Grok. It can even run 2 video generations at the same time. So let's test it. First, open Google Chrome and search for Qwen AI. Open the website and you will see an interface like this. Now click on Image. I will copy a prompt from my prompt PDF, paste it into Qwen AI, and click on Understand. After that, we will log in. Click on Continue with Google and log in using any Google account. Your image generation will now begin. I used a 3D cartoon prompt here, and just look at the images Qwen AI has generated. They look amazing. Now simply download the image. We will now convert it into a video. Go back to the search section and select video. You can upload the image you just downloaded by clicking on Attach File, but you don't necessarily have to upload an image. If you provide a strong image to video prompt, Qwen AI can also generate an impressive video directly from the prompt. Now I will copy the image to video prompt, paste it here, and click on Send. And after a short while, our video will be ready. Oh my god, just look at the quality of this video. And the best part is that the watermark appears at the very end, so you can easily cut it out while editing. Using these AI tools, you can start almost any type of content channel. You can create 3D cartoon videos, viral shorts, AI documentaries, horror stories, finance videos, stick figure animations, and much more. Each of these tools has its own unique capabilities. Some are better for generating images, while others are better for creating professional AI videos. The best strategy is to use all of them together. This way, you don't need to pay for expensive AI tools. If you face any problem while using these tools, or any of the AI tools I used in this video, let me know in the comments. I will try to reply to everyone. And if you want to clone any YouTube channel using AI, then make sure to watch this video as well. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.